Here we go. Bass, bass, bass. Big worm, nice bass. Here comes Reese. There you go, bud.
Hey guys, Daddy caught this bass. I came running over, and might seem a little weird. You know, Mom's probably gonna say, "Oh."
Let's get him back. There you go. Excellent. Got one. Oh, bigger one, Reese. Here we go. Oh, got off. No, he wasn't the biggest one, but a nice one. Get back out there. Here we go. Got him. Oh, popped right off. Good day so far. A couple losses and one small one, but you know what better? No better way to handle a Friday than catching some fish. See if he's still around. Oh, here we go. Oh, gotcha. Not a big guy, another littler feller.
And let's start fishing a couple.
Okay, see what we can do.
Okay.
Nice cast, Reese. Little guy.
Let me fight him.
Okay, you fight him.
Yeah.
Get him.
Let go of this pole.
Let him get him, get him. All right. Little feller, but...
Hey guys, my saw the catch. Fix my tangle. My poles, my Daddy's pole is over there. You can see we are at the dock.
All right.
Right now. Look at that big glob.
Oh yeah, weeds.
of
Yuck.
weeds. I stick my pole in that yesterday.
All right, let him go. See if we can get another one.
Oh, Raffle's back down here.
Yep. Donna. Got him. Little feller. Oh, not a bad one actually. Oh!
Is that the biggest one?
He popped the bait. No.
We just, I'm shooting just off the shore here. A little minnows to catch. And this guy came up and slapped it.
All right.
Come.
What bait were you using, Reese?
I'll show you.
You're okay. You okay? Nope, you did it. Good job. Buster Brown.
This is the bait that we're using.
Little
Not a
inline,
live bait.
little inline spinner, isn't it? With the orange tail.
I'll let you take a look at that.
Cool.
One. And it's my first fish of the day. First fish of the day.
All right, let's see you put them back.
And water's very clear today.
You're
So,
good.
Let's watch him swim
Oh.
off.
Daddy's getting a bite. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Two double
Trouble, double trouble. Woohoo!
Now we have a double bass.
Double bass.
I want to hold them both.
Oh, you want to hold them both? There you go. Popped them right out. Here you go.
Okay.
Got him by the lip. All right, nice largies.
Largemouth bass.
Doubles. That's the way we like to do it. Two at a time, don't we? We like to catch them two at a time.
Have you ever heard of a fish flip?
Okay, let's see it.
This is double friend fish flip.
A double friend fish flip. All right, let's see what we got. They get a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Nice. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you know what to do. Keep just doing your stuff and keep fishing. Woo!